Welcome back. In this section, we're going to explore stablecoins and their uses within the DeFi ecosystem. By the end of this lecture, you will understand what stablecoins are, the different types available, and how they're applied in DeFi. And we'll also draw some comparisons to traditional finance to help clarify these concepts. Let's start with the basics. Stablecoins are a type of cryptocurrency designed to maintain a stable value by being pegged to a reserve asset, such as the US dollar, the euro, or even a commodity like gold. This stability has made them a very popular category of cryptocurrency. In Argentina, for instance, inflation in 2023 was 104.3%, considerably devaluing the Argentine peso. The government also imposed strict capital controls, which made it very difficult for citizens to save money in their bank accounts. This restriction prompted many Argentinians to convert their money into crypto, and in particular stablecoins, in order to save larger sums. Stablecoins were popular in this scenario as they were pegged to the dollar, which Argentinians preferred to use. They were easy to access as they're digital, and there were no purchase limits, so users could convert any amount of pesos. Their stability also makes them particularly useful in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies and gives them certain advantage for being used in DeFi that we'll discuss later. So there are three main types of stablecoins. The first is fiat collateralized stablecoins. This just means that the tokens issued are backed by a reserve of fiat currency. For every stablecoin issued, there is an equivalent amount of fiat held in a reserve. Examples of this include USDC, USD coin, and USDT, better known as Tether. This is similar to how traditional banks maintain reserves to back their issued currencies. Next up, we have a similar concept in crypto collateralized stablecoins. This is the same process, but backed by other cryptocurrencies. Because crypto can be volatile, these stablecoins are often heavily over-collateralized to ensure stability. An example of this would be DAI, which is backed by Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. And then finally, there are algorithmic stablecoins. These maintain their peg through different algorithms and smart contracts that automatically adjust the supply based on market demand, similar to how a central bank adjusts monetary policies, but this is done in a decentralized and automated way. An example of this is UST, Terra USD, which you may be aware of. This algorithmic stablecoin infamously did not work and lost its peg to the US dollar, causing the value of this stablecoin to basically fall to zero in a matter of days, losing many people's savings and causing a systemic crisis across the entire cryptocurrency industry. So, evidently, seeking a trustworthy stablecoin backed by actual assets is probably the advisable choice to make here. Due to their stability, stablecoins are a popular choice for several important uses within the DeFi ecosystem. So, the obvious first one is as a medium of exchange. Stablecoins are often used for trading and transactions within DeFi. Just as you would use dollars for everyday transactions, stablecoins like USDC are used within DeFi for trading and payments. Secondly, stablecoins are also used to store value, protecting portfolios from the volatility of other cryptocurrencies. So in DeFi, you can use your stablecoins to hedge against market volatility by converting more volatile assets into stablecoins, ensuring your portfolio remains stable. Stablecoins are also a popular choice for lending and borrowing in DeFi. So users can lend their stablecoins to earn interest or borrow them by providing other crypto as collateral. This is less risky than doing it with other assets due to the reduced volatility of stablecoins. So it means that you can hedge against volatility, as previously mentioned, and also earn interest on holding your stablecoins, similar to how you might earn interest on a savings account in a bank. And finally, stablecoins are frequently used in yield farming and when depositing assets into liquidity pools. By using stablecoins instead of more volatile assets, you can avoid some of the issues and risks with both of these processes. We'll discuss these a bit more detail later, but effectively these strategies both become less effective in volatile markets and when asset prices are changing drastically. Hence, stablecoins are a bit of a safer bet to use in these situations. So to summarize this video, stablecoins are a crucial component of the DeFi ecosystem. They are used as a medium of exchange, a store of value, and for lending, borrowing, and yield farming. By understanding the different types of stablecoins and their applications and their benefits, you can better navigate and leverage the opportunities within DeFi. Next, what we'll do is get into the details of various use cases of DeFi, including these liquidity pools and yield farming, explore how they work in a bit more detail and their role in the world of DeFi. I'll see you there.